Pier 71 is co-founded by the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore, as well as NUS Enterprise from the National University of Singapore. Let's hear from Professor Freddie Boy what NUS Enterprise has in store for Pier 71.
Mr. Chee Hong Tat, Senior Minister of State, Ministry of Transport, Ms. Kwa Lei Hun, Chief Executive, MPA, Mr. Kenneth Lim, Assistant Chief Executive for Industry, partners and entrepreneurs, both from overseas and Singapore. Today's fourth Smart Port Challenge by Pier 71 has 17 innovation opportunities from 21 maritime organizations, covering areas in ports, shipping, crew safety, well-being and training, maritime services, logistics, and green technologies. More than ever before, companies need to innovate rapidly, and your speed in adopting and exploiting new technologies will be critical to your success and even survival. The ability to take new technologies out of the lab and launch new products and services at startup speed will set apart the winners and the losers. NUS today probably contributes one of the largest number of deep tech startups with programs like the Graduate Research Innovation Program, or GRIP, G-R-I-P. The recent Breathonics startup, which was among the first in the world to receive regulatory approval for screening COVID-19 using a single breath, was created by the GRIP program. It is already being used to screen for COVID at the Tuas checkpoint 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And then there is BEX, the 2020 SPC First Prize winner, another startup by GRIP, which develops autonomous underwater vehicles and unmanned surface vessels for inspections. Yet another GRIP startup is Dravam, the 2019 SPC First Prize winner, which detects and analyzes fluid contamination real-time throughout the entire bunker flow transfer. Here at NUS, we have a proven model for commercializing new technologies developed in our research lab. Our model is based on two unique elements: world-class intellectual property and a proprietary method for launching deep technology startups in the fastest time. The NUS Technology Access Program, or TAP, will soon start in 2021. And this will also provide you with an exclusive access to our IP to increase your competitive edge. We have already kickstarted our recent Master of Science in Venture Creation in December 2020. It is an immersive one-year graduate degree program that combines experiential learning with the academic rigor of Asia's top university. Designed to transport mindsets and accelerate translation of ideas into solutions, the program targets aspiring entrepreneurs wanting to launch new ventures with success by providing mentorship in business development and, very important, access to NUS IP and technologies, as well as opportunities to network for market access. Pier 71 and Smart Port Challenge is part of NUS' larger effort in developing deep tech and industry-relevant programs. We welcome entrepreneurs, innovators, and startups far and wide to assess our ideas and technologies and to be part of NUS enterprise ecosystem and Pier 71's community. So may I wish you a very successful day for today. Thank you very much.